Hi and welcome back to Mrs. Riley's Maths videos. This is a construction video number 11, constructing a triangle when you're given an angle side angle measure. So again, this is again linking back to congruent triangles, which you may not have come across again yet. Angle side angle is another of the conditions that show that two triangles are identical or congruent to each other, that they're exact copies of each other. So there's only one triangle that can be drawn with those measurements. So for instance, in this triangle, we'll kind of unpack some of this language here, but basically we're constructing a triangle DEF with base EF. So let's draw our sketch, get our pencil. Let's draw our sketch. Here's our sketch, doesn't matter what it looks like. DEF with base EF. So those square brackets mean line segment. That's what that means, line segment EF. Okay, so we've got a line segment EF, which is the base of the triangle. We're told EF is 7. Don't forget, this is just a sketch, so that's not 7. So, but in our real triangle it will be. We're calling this a sketch. And then DEF equals 55 degrees. Now, straight up lines, remember, mean the measure of. This means angle. So the measure of angle DEF is 55 degrees. And remember, it's the central letter that's key. DEF is the angle at E that's made up of an angle that goes from D to E to F. DEF. So that angle there is 55 degrees. And the measure of angle DFE, so DFE, this angle here, is 70 degrees. Okay, so we're being asked to construct that triangle. So we're going to use pencil, we're going to use compass, and we're going to use a protractor. Pencil, compass, and protractor. We're going to show all our construction lines. So 7 centimeters, let's draw it down here. 7 centimeters is our base. So there's our base of 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters, that's F, and that's E. Now, we're going to have a point up here somewhere that's D, but we don't know where it's going to be. So let's see, we've got an angle. So let's get our protractor. We've got an angle here that's going to be 55. So 55 is less than 90. And a right angle is 90. So 55 degree doesn't look unlike that one there. It looks quite like that. So starting here at 0, we're going to round on the inside track, because that's where 0 is. Inside track up to 55, which is that line there is 55. So a 55 degree angle is going to go to there. So let's draw that line. Now, in the previous one we had this measurement rather than this angle, but in this one actually I may not even need to use my compass, will I? Because now I've got to find an angle of 70 from here. Now if you notice, I didn't actually do this line long enough, because if you notice, when I come to do my 70 degree angle, that little blip on my protractor is not helping. 70 degree angle, there's my end of my line. See it there, F? So I'm lining that up there. 70 degree angle. It's going to go here around 0, 40, 50, 60, 70. There's the degree, because again 70 degree angle is less than 90 degrees, so less than a right angle. And then I'm going to join those two up and then continue them on to hit that other line. So that must be where D is. So this is a 55 degree angle. This is a 70 degree angle. This is 7 centimeters. Let's just see what the lengths are here, because sometimes they'll say to you to find the lengths. That's a 7 centimeter. That's a 7. Oh, of course, 70 degrees and 55 degrees. That's going to be 180. That's going to be an isosceles, isn't it? This angle should also be 55. Let's turn it on its side and see. There we are. That's lined up. There's start there, 0 around to here. Yeah, just what, 54.5 degrees. Very good. So it's almost perfect. So this is a 55-degree angle as well. And how did I know that was going to be 55? Because I already have a 70-degree angle. I have a 55-degree angle. So 125 degrees in a triangle altogether. There's 180 degrees. If I subtract those, I get 55 degrees. And let's just find out what the third side will be in length. It'll be 8.1, I think, or maybe close to 8.1. Let's say 8.1 centimeters. Okay, so that was when we were given an angle, and a base side.